As a citizen, I, Isaac Makomichi, I respect both General Muchena and General Mashingaidze. It's just that General Muchena mentioned why they went to war and described the importance of maintaining the core values of the liberation struggle. He also said the people of Zimbabwe must be given their right to choose their leaders, from councillors to MPs and the president. Sanabina Mashkobranyi Kwachense, General Muchena's speech versus General Mashingaidze speech analysis. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. Meanwhile, General Mashingaidze did mention why they went to war or the core values of the liberation struggle. He just showed that he supported 2030 term extension and he is against General Muchena's speech. It's like a pastor going on a pulpit and failing to mention Jesus. I respect both, but their different approaches show the term extension is divided the party and the generals. That's my take. I think General Mashingaidze should tell us in his next presser why he went to war and what the core principles of the struggle are. As it stands, the term extension push has nothing to offer and nothing to defend the agenda with. Doesn't matter who they send. Last week, Paul Mangwana said there are 3 things that can't be done without a referendum, and he only mentioned 2. He was afraid to say the 3rd thing, term extension. The more they are pushing, the more they are exposing themselves. I think they will end up turning against each other. Toma developments are kuda pangwa ine parikuonekwa kunzi aiwa zvikananda zviri kutambura zviri kutatarika kujustify what they are trying to do. Pena comment section medu mbori dzamafunguro enyu munati kudii pamusoro penhau iyi irinyatsoonekwa nemunhu wese kuti apa chokwadi ingori pachena kuti vanhu havasi kuda zvima amendments awa. Musaona subscribe or like on the bell icon.